droplets, welcome back to my channel. Today this is day 7 of 12 days of Vlogmas. I know today will be slightly different. I will be attending a light show. There will be only a few clips from there and drawing. I am doing a purple OC challenge because I have nothing better to do and I'm sort of bored. These are my swatches and we're gonna get started with the sketch. I have sped many things up because you're definitely gonna get bored of me just drawing for like, I don't know, a really long time straight. And now I just finished the sketch I would like to show you. I will be coloring this right now. Now to do the line art for my sketch. Since I erased it very faintly, I can see the lines really faintly. I don't know if the camera can pick anything up, but now I am doing the line art. It was super delicious to eat. I really enjoyed lunch. Now I am going to finish the line art. I would like you to know that there is a lot of art. This video is probably just mainly art. That lunch break was like the only food break, and then there will be a few clips from a light show that I attended. Now I am going to color the drawing. Yes, the coloring is also sped up. I forgot to record the first few clips in time lapse, so the coloring clips later are in time lapse. This is the finished product. I also did the background. I really enjoyed doing this challenge. It was genuinely pretty fun. chocolate was absolutely amazing and super delicious. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a great day.